Hey there, welcome back once more to my channel. In this video I want to talk about the div HTML div element. So it really helps to define a division or a particular section in an HTML document. For instance, if you want to, for instance, a login page, maybe you want to put the username, the password and the button that says login in a particular section. You use the div to put it in a particular section. Actually, in my next video I might be creating a login page to show you how the div actually functions. So here I'll just show you how the div is, how to identify a div on your browser. For instance, I've created small code here where I gave a title, the body, I made a paragraph outside the div, and I created a div and made some statements inside the div, added the pictures. So here I'll be styling the div so that you can identify where the div can be in your browser. Already here the div is from this is a div container down to where the image ends, but I want to style the div so that you can be able to identify it by yourself. So I'll be creating an inline CSS style here, adding a border, just a very small border of 10 pixels, and a color, a border color of a solid border color of black. I think this should be okay for it, so let's check it out and see. So if you can see on my webpage, this place that has a border of black is the place that the div container is. So everything inside this place that is covered with border is called the div. Anything can be inside your div. You can use the div to wrap your logins, where you put your input for your login. You can use it to create a form. You can use div for a lot of things. To create a division in your web page, maybe you want to create a section that you want to design specially for welcoming people to your website, something like that. Those are some things you can create with the div. So apart from it, there is nothing much I can tell you about div. You can go to W3 Schools and read more on div. They have a lot of things to tell you guys about div. So until then, I'll be creating a login page on my next video to explain more on div. So until then, I'll be seeing you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up, share the video so that more people can view. Thank you.